What's up, y'all? It's really Quan, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We in Home Depot right now. Hope this music don't get me copywritten, but we about to get the vanity for the bathroom. The vanity light, sorry, the vanity light for the bathroom. We also need, okay, we're right here. Vanity light for the bathroom, and we also need the mirror. So, vanity light, we need like a black one. See if we could find a nice, decent one over here. Remember, we already got the Bluetooth light. So we just shot, damn, that one look good. This one. I love that style, that Artica light style. Damn, I might go for that one. Either that or keep it simple and go probably for this one. This one fire too. We got a 30-inch vanity, so that tell us what we need in terms of size. So this is what is this? 26. That will work. It's 27, 120 for that. See if we can find a more cost-efficient one that's still nice. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think so. Oh, okay. Look at that one. That one right there, that black one. That one nice too. Miss Vanity. Miss Vanity, I think I'm gonna go with the Miss Vanity one. The Miss Vanity, I like that one. That's this one. It's fire. Make it look a little, I don't know, fit the scheme of the crib if you ask me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. It's 27 inch, 4 lights. Yeah, we're going with that. Then we need I need a cart, cause I ain't even get a damn cart. Two mirrors. We need like face plates. I'm trying to really complete this bathroom and not keep saying, oh, the bathroom almost done. No. Get the face plates, got the vanity mirror, vanity light. And tighten this whole shit up, be done. So my mirrors, bathroom medicine cabinets and mirrors right here. Got a cart right here too. Fuck it. Alright, so I got the measurements of the mirrors that we need. And remember, we could always get a smaller mirror. We just don't want to get a bigger mirror. So let me see. So for mirrors, we need a 25 by 33. They got a 24 by 30 bevel edged. That's $40. That ain't bad. 24 polished round bathroom mirror for $74. Let's see. A round mirror would be fire. What the hell is that though? Look like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the round mirror. That shit was fire. 24 inch wide, 24 inch height. 24 inch wide, 24 inch height. I think I'm gonna go with this. I ain't gonna lie. Polished edge, frameless mirror. Yep. That's for one of them. We're definitely going with that. And then we got 35 by 28. So we could get a 28 by 35. We just would have to turn it sideways. So 35 by 28. So 28 by 35. 24 by 36. That sound right. Ooh, Excuse me. The round mirror is more expensive too. If I was at a bath mirror. Let's see. I said 38 by 25, right? See how fast it is to forget that shit? What is it? 35 by 28. 35 by 28. 33 by 22. 4. Oh, let's see. Yeah, them circle mirrors I actually am liking. So 36, 48. I'm gonna just go ahead and get the 35 by 28. 24 by 30. Yeah, the 24 by 30. And just turn that junk sideways. Word, $40. That's my 2 mirrors. That's my 2. I got the square one for that bathroom. That's my 2 mirrors. That's my vanity light. I think all I need now is garbage bags. Oh, nope. I need to go get them down. Outlets. I need a double, GFI, a regular GFI outlet. Watch this. I'm telling you. I'm going to change the game. How you doing? I ain't crazy. I'm just vlogging. People looking at me like I'm crazy, talking to myself and shit. Getting this back little stairs painted. Luckily, they was already here, so we just building onto these. He stabilized them, made sure that they were super sturdy. We're gonna build right onto these, build some railings, and put them right back on the crib. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah! But we reinforced them, sistered them up, sturdy. I'm about to go grab some food, mama love, but shit, I want y'all to know I done did the can lights in the attic. Them shits look beautiful. Feel me? I hooked them up. They look beautiful. I just gotta have tone basically fit them in, cause I'm tired right now. I ain't doing that. I'm coming back. I'm about to do the vanity. See, I got the lights for the bedrooms. My boy painting the bedrooms right now. That's ceilings, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put up the ceiling lights. All right, y'all. Listen, I turned the power off, but first things first. Well, that's first things first. Second is I'm about to install this light in my flip at the in the bathroom. So first I'm gonna change the battery out here. Let y'all see that. I got my camera on, B. Take these screws out the top of this. This is the bracket for the light fixture. It's a nice little Artica light I got from Home Depot, a little $120 light. If I had time and I wanted to wait, I could have got one from Amazon, but I didn't, so. First, I'm gonna put this bracket up on the wall. Now we gotta secure this too by trying to figure out where these studs are. Since we got a little patch right here, I'm gonna assume we got a stud right there, which I could double check by doing something. This right here is plumbing, piece of PEX. I could figure out where those studs are by putting this in the wall. All right, so about right here, boom. So this is about right here. So we got a stud. Stud right there. All right. We'll do the same thing to this side. Stud about right here. All right. I got a call, 1 second. All right, y'all, so what happened was it wasn't centered. The wire wasn't centered to be able to put it up. So now I got it centered, so we good. I'm about to put it up. Boom. I'm gonna start by, power's off too, again, FYI. I'm probably gonna cut it a little shorter as well. Rule of thumb is literally rule of thumb. Put your fist on the wall, see how far it go past your hand, like that, perfect. Boom. Cut this piece off. cut enough to rip the casing. You know? Boom. Gotta strip my wires back. Where's my cutters? These are just regular wire strippers you can get from Home Depot. Alright. You got your bracket. There's my bracket. Just go first. You find where the studs are. So the studs, put these through. Again, the power's not on, so they're not gonna spark. You got a stud right here. Oh, so I'm just doing one at the bottom, one at the top. Yeah, just so that it can hold it on. Let me switch my batteries too. Okay. Yep, we in the stud now. Here's my other screw. Angle it. That's on there, that ain't going nowhere. Boom. Now, this little clip right here is so you can hang the light. You don't need a hand while you're doing it, all right? So you just clip this on. It holds it up by itself, sturdy. Now, got a wire. I need one more wire. Where the wire nuts? Wire nuts be. I need you to get me that, please. Any color, no matter. So hooking the light up, black go with black, white go with white. Simple. There you go. You put the wires directly next to each other. Actually, I start with putting the one from the light on first, and then put this one in and twist it. Should lock right on. Yep, that ain't going nowhere. I need one more wire now. Other than that, you got it? Either one, don't matter. Thank you.
Well, you just got a single wire? I mean, two wire? And yeah, the ones you really want buried at the bottom.
It's cool. I'm good. I got two double wire. You good.
Oh, there's one. There you grab the orange one right there.
No, we good. I got it. I'm good.
Yeah.
You good.
Yeah, you want them tight.
Yeah.
They're tight in? Alright.
Really sturdy.
Well, grab these two for the next light.
I don't need none.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
telling you, I'm good, bro. Just go paint. I got you.
We'll put these in the cabinet, right?
Yep.
Right here.
That's grounded. Put that ground up to here. Oops. I gotta do my white first. Let me do my white. Where's my other one? There you go. Where did I put the other wire now? B, let me get one more of those wire nuts. Now I'm hooking up my white. Either one, I don't know which one. Thank you.
Number 3, cover here.
Huh?
There's 2 extra available.
Thank you.
I'll give you 2 and 2. Yes, you can.
Go finish painting, Brody.
Huh?
So go finish painting.
Hey.
Alright, now, this black screw, little black screw right here, can't see it, they go at the top to hold it on to the bracket. So I can start pushing these wires into here as much as I can. Might as well do that. I'll put this on. I can start with the bottom screw, line it up here. Actually, I'll just put it on the drill.
Yeah, I don't think these have any sets on them. That one does.
That one's on. Gotta do the top one. I'll start by hand screwing it. Alright, this one here. My layout should be pretty much lined up. I eyeballed it, so I didn't level it formally, but it looked good to me from here. Look pretty good. Let's see how it look. Turn it on. Turn the power on. B, hit the power real quick. Yep. Let's see him hit the power. I'll be right back. Charlie, what's that? For what?
The shower here.
Alright, leave it in there. Just leave it in there. I got it. Go ahead, paint, man. Focus on that.
You got the power then?
I'm out. Turn it on.
Alright.
Let's see, y'all.
Not the handle on the thing.
That one working.
Right now you're gonna turn
There we
it
go.
off. Pull it off.
That was easy. Let's see. Super bright white. That's it, man. This shit is easy like pie, you heard me? Gotta have my drywaller come tighten this up. But, shit. That was light as a Diet Sprite, feel me? About to put the mirrors up in here.